Good morning, all of you. Today we will start with a new chapter in English literature. Chapter number 6, page number 51. The goal not scored. The goal not scored, and it is written by Manoj T. Thomas. Now, the goal not scored. So, with which games goals are associated? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, football.
Ma'am, football.
Ma'am, football. Ma'am, golf.
Ma'am, football.
And
Cricket.
cricket.
Ma'am, cricket.
Cricket
Ma'am,
goal?
goal.
No goal. Yes, cricket
Ma'am,
and
basketball. Basketball.
Basketball. Ma'am, basketball.
basketball. You don't do goals. You basket. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
any other games?
Ma'am, soccer.
Ma'am, football. Goal.
Football, I know. One more. Tell me one more, okay? Just one more.
Ma'am, hockey.
Hockey?
Hockey.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
hockey.
goal. Ma'am,
Yes.
goal.
Right, correct. Hockey. Okay, so if you see on
Rugby.
page 51, 6 balls are given. And you have to match the correct ball with the correct spot. Let's see how many of you know this. First ball you see. First ball you
Ma'am,
see.
basketball.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, basketball.
Okay, basketball.
Basketball.
The second ball.
Ma'am,
rugby.
Okay,
Ma'am,
rugby.
rugby.
Rugby. Third.
Ma'am, golf.
Ma'am, golf.
Goal.
Okay.
Ma'am, goal.
Fourth.
Ma'am,
football.
Basketball.
Okay.
Football.
Number 5.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, lawn
Ma'am,
tennis.
cricket.
Ma'am, lawn tennis.
Lawn tennis. Yes. And the last one is
Ma'am, cricket.
cricket. Okay, it is a leather ball cricket. Alright. So let's move on. Now here we have the story of Arif, a boy named Arif, and who through his actions he taught his opposition team, all right, his rival team, the team who were playing opposite to them, that everything is not about winning. So winning isn't everything, it is not the end, all right, it is not everything. So there is much more to a match than just winning it. So we'll see what that means during the course of this chapter, what he teaches his rival team. Okay, so Prabhati, beta, start with the first paragraph.
Arif rubbed his knees gingerly. He knew that he had to be fit for the next day's match. The inter-house matches were going on and he was going to make sure that he played well in the next match. They were going to meet the Red House in the next match, and the Reds had been claiming that they had never lost to the Blues. Arif was sure that there was always going to be a first time. The match was also important because his team, the Blue House, needed a win to get the 2 points necessary for them to get into the finals. He was their star player and could not afford to be injured for such an important match.
All right. Okay, so Arif, he rubbed his knees gingerly means he got hurt. So in a very cautious manner, in a very careful manner, he just rubbed the portion where he was hurt. So obviously, you know, wherever the place where you are hurt, you cannot rub it very hard because there is already pain. So he rubbed it in a very careful and a cautious manner. And why? Because he knew that he has to remain fit for the next match, because the next match was very important. And in their school, you know, inter-house matches were going on. And Arif, he was sure that he was going to make sure that he played, and you know, he wanted to play really well in the next match. So in the school, inter houses, you know, inter house, like in our school also we have 4 houses, and we have inter house matches. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
right. So the
Yes,
same
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
was happening in their school also, and they were having these inter-house matches, and he was sure that he will play really well in the next match. And why the next match was so important? Because they were going to meet the Red House in the next match, and the Red House, they were claiming that they have never lost to the Blue House. So Arif belonged to the Blue House, and they had a match with the Red House, and the Red House said that they had never been defeated till now by the Blue House. But Arif, he was confident enough, he played well, and he knew that there is always, for everything, there's always going to be a first time. So though they said that the Reds have never been defeated by the Blues, but he knew that this could be the first time that they were defeated by a blue team. And this match was also not only important that they will defeat the Reds for the first time, but it was also very important for the blue team, because they needed, by this through this win, they needed the 2 points necessary through which they can go to the finals, because without these 2 points they will not go to the finals. So they needed to win this match. And Arif, he was the star player, the main player, the attraction, the one who went out and did the goals. And so he was their main player, star player, and he could not be injured before this such an important match. So he could not be injured, and that is why he rubbed his knee where he got hurt in a very cautious and careful manner. Okay, Rishima, is Rishima there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, read.
Yes, ma'am. The amount of practice he and his teammates had put in before the match also had been phenomenal. Arif was having phenomenal. Arif was having the feeling that they were playing some very important tournament when it was actually only a small match between the different houses in the same school. This is going to be our most important match, said Vikas, the captain of the Blues, trying to the lift of the morale of his team before the match. Give everything, he said. We want a victory at any cost. I repeat, we want a victory at any cost.
Okay. So the Blues, they wanted to win this match, and they had put in so much practice before the match, means that it was really remarkable, it was phenomenal. It was the amount of practice that Arif and his teammates have put in before this match. It was really exceptional, means they have never done so much practice before any match, and it was really remarkable of them that they had really taken out so much time, and they had practiced so much. And now Arif, he was having a feeling that they were playing like some very important tournament. And so though he had a feeling like this, but it was just a normal, a small match between two houses of a school. So it was not such a big deal, but he had a feeling that like he was going to play for some very important tournament, some very important match. And now Vikas, who was the captain of the blue team, now he tried to lift up the confidence and the enthusiasm of his team, the morale of his team before the match. And he was telling the teammates that this is going to be our most important match, because if we win, then obviously we'll go to the finals. And so he told his teammates to give everything, means everything you have, you just put it into the game. And then he said that we need victory at any cost. And to put more emphasis, he said that, he repeated that, I repeat, we want a victory at any cost. So they needed this victory at any cost to go through the finals, to go to the finals. Okay, Shabd, continue beta.
Yes, ma'am. They had practiced till of them had been completely tired. Their game plan was almost final and they were beginning to play well as team. They had plenty of coordination too.
There is no reason why we should not win this match, said Santosh, their goalkeeper. We won't lose unless you concentrate a goal, said Vikas. I won't let the ball get past me, said Santosh with determination. The Reds are going to lose this time. They still remembered with anger the last match they played with the Reds in the
Wait. All right, and these teammates, the Blues, they had practiced so much. Means they practiced till the time all of them were totally and completely tired, and means the way they will play their game against the Reds. So the whole plan, the whole game plan, it was almost final, and now they were beginning to play together as a team, not as individuals, but now they have began to play together, all the people together as one team, and they had plenty of coordination too. Whenever you perform a dance together in a group, so whenever you're doing anything in a group, you need coordination with one another. You need to work as a team, as a group. So now they had this coordination also among them, and all the group members, all the team members, they were finally coming together and playing in a very proper and organized manner. And so the goalkeeper said, Santosh, who was the goalkeeper, he said that there is no reason. We have already practiced so much, we have our game plan ready, and we are playing with so much coordination, so I don't see there is any reason that we should not win this match. And so the captain Vikas, he said that yes, we are right that we won't lose, but till the time you concede a goal, means if you let the ball pass by you and you let a goal happen, then only we can lose, otherwise we will not lose. So Santosh, he said that means I won't let the ball go past me into the goal. And so like he was full of determination, he said no, I will not let the ball go past me into the goal. And so he said with determination that this time the Reds, they are going to lose and we will win. So they were all determined and all excited to win this match. Okay, Magna, read better.
Yes, ma'am. The Reds are going to lose this time. They still remembered with anger the last match they had played with the Reds in the previous year's finals. They had been leading by a goal till half time, after which the Reds had turned violent. The Blues had become slightly subdued by the violent tactics, and the Reds had used the resultant confusion to strike two quick goals towards the end of the game. This time, the Blues had decided that they would not allow the Reds to get away with their rough tactics.
Okay.
Tactic.
Tactics. Okay, so the Blues, they still remembered, and they were really angry. They remembered it with anger, the last match that they had played with the Reds in the previous year finals. So last year's final also, they have played the finals with the Reds, and by till half time the Blues, they had been leading, so they have done one goal, and so they were leading. But after the half time, the Reds, they turned violent, means they started to play their game very aggressively. And when they play the game aggressive, they push the other teammates and all that. And so they could even hurt the other people in the team. And so the Blues, they turned violent, and the way they played their game, and sometimes they even strike the ball towards another team member, deliberately trying to hurt the person or injure the person. So they use these tactics. And so the Blues, because they turned violent, so the Blues, they were not expecting that. And so when they started to play violently like this, so they became a little subdued, means they did not know what to do. So they were like quiet, and means they were not prepared to respond to the way the Reds were playing their game. And so they were subdued by their violent tactics, means the strategy which the Red were using against them. And the red, what they did when they found that the blues, they were confused, they were not able to react and respond to their violent tactics, and so they used this this resultant means because of their violent tactics. What resulted, it resulted that in the blues getting confused, and so using their confusion, the reds, what they did, they scored two quick goals at the end of the game. And so what they did with the first goal, they the match was draw, and with the next, obviously the red, they were able to win. And this time the blues, they were decided that they will not let the reds get away with their violent play. And even so, they had their game plan ready, that if this time the reds will play like that, then obviously they had their game plan ready for that. Okay, so who will read? Alokik?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
can I
after that,
read?
Mansi, you can read. Yes, Alokik, read beta.
The team went to the ground with determination. The Reds were already on the ground. They too looked confident. Among other things, the main strength of the Reds was their goalkeeper Praveen. Everyone believed that it would be very difficult to get the ball past. Their players also looked smart in their red-colored t-shirts and shorts. The supporters of the two teams were lined up on both sides of the playground.
Yes, continue.
As the match was expected to create a lot of tension and excitement, they had taken no chances with the referee. They had convinced their sports teacher, Mr. Sahu, to stand in as the referee for the match. Mr. Sahu gave the whistle and the match got underway.
Okay. All right. So, the team, the blues, they went to the playground with determination. And when they went there, the reds, they were already on the ground. And even the reds, they were also looking very confident. And, the reds, obviously they played well and all that. And among other things, the main strength of the red team, Anand, please switch off your mic. Okay, the main strength of the red team was their goalkeeper Praveen. Now, Praveen was a really very good goalkeeper, and everyone, they thought that it is very difficult to get the ball go past him. Means if the ball reaches him, obviously he will not let it go into the goal, so he will not concede a goal. And the players of the red team, they looked smart in their red colored t-shirts and shorts. And on both sides of the playground, so there were supporters of the red and the blue teams. And it was expected that this match will create a lot of excitement and lot of tension, because last year also they had met in the finals, and because of the this violent tactics of the reds, the blues, they had lost. And so they knew that there would be tensions and excitement, and so they had not taken any chances as to who would be the referee of the match. And so they have talked to their sports teacher, Mr. Sahu, and Mr. Sahu, he was to be the referee for this match. And so Mr. Sahu, he gave the whistle, and the match, it started. Okay, Mansi, you wanted to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, read.
With the kick of the match started, it was thorough than what Arif had imagined.
Tougher.
Yes, ma'am. Tougher than what Arif had imagined. The Reds obviously had the presence that Arif was the star player of the Blues and had decided to target him from the beginning. Even as Arif would be thinking of getting to the ball, he would find that a Red House player would come out of the nowhere and stop him by force. These attacks did fetch their team a couple of free kicks, but Arif was beginning to feel the pressures of the game. Every time he was pushed on the ground for a while, he tried to stay away from the ball. He noticed that the player of the Reds who was marking him was paying no attention to the ball and was trying to keep a close watch on Arif.
Beta, it is not Arif, it is Arif. Okay.
Arif.
Okay. So, uh, you know, so he gave the whistle and the match started, and the match was really much tougher than what Arif had imagined. So though they knew that the match would be tough, but it was really much tougher than what they have imagined. And the Reds, obviously, they also knew the game of the other side of the Blues, and they knew that Arif, he was the main player, the star player of the Blues, and so they decided that they have already made a game plan that they will target him from the beginning. And so what their game plan was, that even if Arif, he would think to get the ball, so there was always a Red House player, who would come, who would be watching him, who would be marking him, and he will come and stop him by force. Means even they could use any tactics, and even if they did, what will happen, the other team will just get a free kick. So even if deliberately they pushed or something, so if they are away from the goals, and then the other team will only get a free kick. So they were okay with it. And so whenever Arif, he tried to get the ball, red team player, he would come out of nowhere, and forcefully they will try to stop him. And through this, the Blues, they got a couple of free kicks, but as the match progressed, so Arif, he began to feel this pressure, because as soon as he went near the ball, a, a person of a red team, he would come and try that Arif will not get the ball. And even if Arif, he got the ball, so they tried to take the ball away from him by force. And so Arif, he was now beginning to feel this pressure, and every time he was pushed, because whenever he got the ball, they pushed him on the ground. Or so what happened, whenever every time he was pushed on the ground, so this was now pressurizing him, and he tried to stay away from the ball. Now he was the star player, he should have been after the ball all the time, but because of being pushed so much, he tried to stay away from the ball. And he noticed that the player of there was a player among the red team who was marking him. Means there was a person set to mark Arif only, and the job of this person was only to see what Arif was doing and try to get the ball away from him. And this person, this member of the red team, he was not paying any attention to the ball. He was just keeping a watch on what Arif was doing. Okay, Redima.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, may I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Can
after
I
that
read?
you people can read. Yes, Ridhima. Meta, start.
The game had begun to get rough. Arif felt that the Reds were adopting their usual strategy. However, this time the Blues had responded well. The players of both sides were seen falling on the ground or nursing their injuries. Soon, neither of the teams was able to make much headway, and the game was being played in the midfield only.
Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so the game, it had began to get rough, and then Arif felt that the Reds were adopting their usual strategy, and so Arif now felt that the strategy which the Reds, they used the last time, their violent play, they again started to adopt that now. But this time the Blues, they knew that this is what the Reds will do. So this time they were prepared, so they responded better, in a better manner, to their violent tactics. And so when they tried to push him, maybe they also pushed back and all that. So the players of both teams, they were seen that they were falling on the ground, and many had injuries, so they were even nursing their injuries. And soon, neither of the teams, no team was able to make any progress. Headway means no team was able to make any progress, and the game was being played in the midfield, means not near the goal of any particular team. It was not being played near the goal, it was playing in the midfield, because both were playing equally well. And it was being played in the middle of the field only, and no team was able to take the ball to their opponent's goal. They were not able to do that because both were really head on and playing with their full energy and all, and so it was being played in the midfield only. All right. Midfield, that is the central part of the field, means they were not able to get to the where you can score a goal, so not that side, but only in the midfield they were playing the game now. Okay, so for today we will stop here, and we'll continue when we meet again.